Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emmanuel, and on behalf of the entire Killer Whale training team, I'd like to welcome you to Orca Stadium. Being a part of SeaWorld's mission is more than just a job. We're proud of what we do, and it is a privilege for us to care for, build relationships with, teach, and learn from these amazing animals. Now more than ever, we are honored to share our relationships with the whales and what we have learned with all of you. And now, SeaWorld proudly presents Orca Encounter!
They live in every corner of the ocean, from the Arctic to the Atlantic, the Southern to the Indian, to the Pacific and beyond.
The killer whale story is the ocean story, and it's one we all share.
We are one world, united by our ocean.
Leah, two members of our killer whale family, demonstrating their incredible size, speed, power, and complex learning abilities. These behaviors keep our whales active and engaged. SeaWorld's killer whales have inspired generations all over the world, and we're excited to share their story with you tonight.
Killer whales are the ocean's top predators. They use cooperation and communication, not just size and strength, to take their place at the top of the ocean's food. At the bottom are small animals, like krill. At the top, the apex
Because that's our family. Sorry. Thank you.
Killer whales are as big as a bus, faster than an Olympic swimmer, high flying and powerful.
We're going to see all of that and more. These behaviors contribute to an environment full of enrichment.
We spend days, weeks, months, years building relationships with our whales. This creates trust, and that allows us to do some amazing things. For example, when you visit a doctor, you present your arm to draw blood, or you step on the scale to see how much you weigh. It's much the same with our whales.
Tonight, we'll see our whales working together in unison. These synchronized behaviors strengthen the social bonds and enable them to problem solve as a group. Working together as a team is what makes them the ocean's top predator. Scientifically known as Orca, more commonly referred to as killer whales. Here at SeaWorld, we know them as Katina, Milani, Lilia, Shura, and Mikhail, our killer whale family. Mikhail is our youngest whale, at just 14 years old. And the oldest is Mikhail's mother, Katina, who's also the matriarch, or leader of our pod. SeaWorld's animal training techniques creates a language between us and the whales. It's a language of learning, through positive reinforcement, encouragement, commitment, and care. Through these techniques and our relationships, the whales will trust us, and they even take an active role in their very own health and well-being. Now, one of the very first healthcare or husbandry behaviors we teach our whales is a position in which we're able to ask for a voluntary blood sample. The whales are taught to eventually pour upside down and present to us their tail fins. Now, not only does this give us a great view of their entire body, but it also gives us access to the blood vessels located on the white undersides of their tail fins. Our veterinarians can combine collect a blood sample at least once a month, and our whales are taught to remain calm and relaxed throughout the entire procedure. Now, as trainers, you might see us rubbing down and massaging our whales, whether it be on their backs, pectoral fingers, or those tail fins. The whales have very sensitive skin, so this is just one of the many different ways that we can reward or reinforce our whales for remaining calm during a behavior like this. Now, collecting a blood sample is just one way that we can ensure our whales are remaining healthy. Another really important diagnostic is weighing our whales. Now, we're able to weigh our whales by asking them to slide their bodies all the way up and out of the water, but onto a giant killer whale size scale we have in one of our adjacent pools. Now, when the whales slide up, a portion of their body does still remain in the water from the close of on the back all the way down to the tail fins. That is called the powerhouse of the killer whale. It's called in the jungle, and it's very heavy and very muscular. In fact, the natural athletic behavior you see with all killer whales is the ability to move that portion of their body with such force, it enables them to completely turn before re-entering the water. Now, with that tip in the water, we wouldn't necessarily get an accurate weight. So to fix this, we'll ask them to lift up the dumbbell all the way up and out of the water. Training this posture enables us to ensure accuracy. So we know that our younger whales are quite rocky, and our older whales are maintaining a healthy weight.
And the care isn't just physical. Mental stimulation and play are vital, and we surprise and engage with our whales at every opportunity. Play is how killer whales teach their young to hunt, and for the adults, play is important too. It seems that they just enjoy having fun. Making time to play is an important part of life for killer whales and for us.
So we just learned that killer whales love to play. They can actually learn a lot by playing, and they'll also learn through mimicry and observational learning. At a young age, killer whales will learn important life skills by playing games, such as follow the leader with their mothers and other whales. And we're going to put that to the test today with our killer whale family and all of you. You guys ready for some fun? All right, let's start with this set of Stadium, go ahead and stand up. You're going to play a killer whale-sized game of follow the leader. You're going to be the leader, and we're going to see here if our killer whale family can follow you. Now, I want you guys to put both arms to your side, and when I say go, you spin 2 times in a circle. Ready, set, go! And she's got it! Thank you all so much for participating. That was amazing. As you can see, our killer whale families paying very close attention to you. Killer whales are very curious animals, and they're often seen slide hopping, or even jumping completely out of the water to get a better look around. So when you see it, make some noise here at the center. Alright, this time to say it's your turn. Go ahead and stand up. We have an even bigger jump plan for you called a reach. Now to ask for it, you're going to put 2 fingers out in front of you, just like this. Toss it over your left shoulder. Ready, set, go! And she's off. Now killer whales will reach for a variety of different reasons. Sometimes to scratch an itch, more often than not, it's to show off. Killer whales are amazing athletes, and they can eat several hundred pounds of food every day. In the ocean, the killer whale's diet will depend on where they live and the time of year. Unfortunately, things like overfishing, pollution, and other factors are having a serious impact on some killer whale populations.
Killer whales are impressive animals. It's pretty obvious why they're the top predators in the ocean. That means killer whales are invincible, right? Wrong.
Killer whales depend on a plentiful food source and a clean environment. They're completely dominant, yet completely dependent.
But if it comes down to it, killer whales are not the most powerful animal in the ocean. We hold the future of killer whales and the oceans in our hands.
Killer whales continue to surprise and amaze us. They're the perfect ambassador of the ocean, limitless, connected, and powerful. But still vulnerable. The challenges that you face can seem insurmountable.
Don't give up. Be inspired. The ocean needs our help, and that seems overwhelming. But together, we can make it happen.
There's so much to learn.
So much to protect.
So much to explore.
The killer whale story is still being written, and there are simple things we all can do to make a difference.
All it takes is one joy.